Hey guys, guess what? Today, we're not gonna stay here at the desk. We're gonna go on a field trip. What's a field trip, you may be wondering? A field trip is one of those trips you would go on in school where you would leave the school, leave campus, and go somewhere fun. Like in elementary school, we would go on a field trip to the zoo or to the aquarium. And today, I'm gonna take you on a field trip to my house to show you a house tour. Let's go! Come on! Hey, welcome to my crib. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome to my house. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of my home so you can learn some vocabulary to talk about the different rooms in your house, and you can give a house tour in English to your next visitor that comes over. Now, to start, welcome to the entryway or the entry of my house. Let's go. Come on in. This is the entry, and I have two floors in my home. So I have an upstairs and I have a downstairs, or sometimes we call the downstairs a basement. You come up the stairs out of the entry and into the living room. Now, what do people do in the living room? We hang out, right? We just spend time in the living room. We relax after a long day of work or school. We watch TV for sure. We have a big TV. We just spend time together here. It's called the living room because it's where we live and spend time. Let's keep going. Next, we have the dining room. In my house, we have a small dining room and it's connected to the kitchen. What do people do in the dining room? Well, we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner here at the dining room table. I also have a little space here in the corner for my plants. If you've watched my hobbies video, you know I love plants and gardening is one of my hobbies. So here in the dining room, it's where we eat. In a lot of houses here in the US, some rooms are connected and they're really all one big room. In my house, the dining room and the kitchen are all together one big room. This is my kitchen. Now, what do people do in the kitchen? We cook, we wash dishes, we prepare food. I make my coffee every morning on my stove in the kitchen. And every week I bake bread. That's another hobby I enjoy doing here in my home. So now you've seen the entry, you've seen the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Let's keep going to the hallway. This is the hallway here in my home. It's a small hallway. It's a little narrow. It's not very wide. And here in the hallway, we have a few rooms and closets. This in the US we call a coat closet. And a coat closet is typically when you have a visitor come over, you take their jacket or you take their coat and you hang it up in the coat closet. But a lot of Americans, we don't really use it as a coat closet anymore. That's kind of an old idea. We use it as a cleaning closet. So it holds all of our cleaning supplies in the cleaning closet. Now, the next space we have here in the hallway to my left is the bathroom. This floor that I live on, this upstairs of my home, has two bedrooms and one bathroom. Now, what do we do in the bathroom? We get ready for the day, we take showers, we go to the bathroom. That's what the bathroom is for. So I have a simple bathroom where I get ready each morning. Now I said I have two bedrooms. Let me show you. First, my bedroom here. This is my bedroom that I share with my husband, right? It's our bedroom. What do we do in the bedroom? We sleep, right? I have a comfy chair where I can read in the morning. I really like to take a little time to read each morning. We also have a closet where we're able to keep all of our clothes here in the bedroom as well. It's a very cozy space where I enjoy relaxing and going to sleep at the end of the day. Now, let me show you. This is called a linen closet. It's another common closet we have in the US, and it's where you would typically store your towels, sheets, and other extra things that you don't have space for in your bathroom. It's called a linen closet. Now, the second bedroom that I have here, it's actually not a bedroom, it's an office. It could be a bedroom, maybe one day it will be, but for now, it's my office where I actually film all of my Conversa YouTube videos right here. So, this is my home. This is the upstairs of my home where my husband and I live. And we actually have a downstairs, right? We have a basement. Maybe in another video, I'll show you a tour of that space. We also have a pretty big yard outside. Let me just show you a quick clip of that. You can see the yard. And another day, I'll go out there and talk to you about all the different kinds of fruits and vegetables we have planted out here. This is my house. Now you've seen a tour of my home. You've seen all the rooms. You've seen the entry, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, the coat closet or cleaning closet, the linen closet, the bathroom, the bedroom, and the office. This makes up my house where I live. So I hope it was a fun video today for you to see my house and get a little house tour. And next time you have a new visitor or a new friend come to your house or your apartment, maybe you can try giving your house tour in English. Let me know in the comments if there's a particular room where you want to learn more specific or more detailed vocabulary. Like maybe in the kitchen, if you want to learn some more specific vocabulary for different items in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments. I hope it was a fun video. Thanks for coming on this tour today of my crib. See you next time. Hello friends, just coming on to say bye and thanks so much for watching. If it's your first time, if this is your first video, you may be wondering who I am. I'm Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, and it's your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence here on YouTube. So we have all different types of videos, and I thought I would share a couple of them with you today. If you want to watch my video from last Friday, new videos every Friday, you can watch it here. If you want to talk about your hobbies, I referenced that in the video today. Check it out here. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. I'll see you next week. Bye.